Good morning, everyone. How y'all doing today? It's been a few weeks since I've been out here. I have been in the garden a little bit. I planted some zinnias by seed in my raised bed, mostly weeding, doing, I want to say fall cleanup, but just weeds that have grown over the summer. It has been a summer for the record books. We've had, well, let's just say I've been running my air conditioner in the month of October. But today it's 55 degrees right now. And I think we just had our first 50-degree night in the 50s, I think a couple of days ago. So that's how kind of warm it's been, even through October. And I have been wanting to plant this walkway for so long for our winter annuals. And I follow this gal, Carmen Johnston, on Instagram. I think her Instagram is Carmen Johnston Gardens, and I believe she's out of Georgia. I'm not for sure, but I think. And I was watching one of her reels the other day, and she said, remember, for those of you who live in warmer climates, don't plant your pansies and your violas yet, because in the heat they want to get a little leggy. And that made me feel good because we were definitely having high 90s, a couple of even days in the low hundreds. So I knew it wasn't time yet to plant the walkway. But it's finally cooled off, and I've picked sorbet icy blue violas and penny blue. Bought 2 flats of each, and I think I need more, but I bought all the color that they had. And for those of you who live in the Central Valley, I picked them up at Evergreen Nursery, and they get a huge shipment on Wednesday. So I think I'm going to go back Wednesday morning, pick up a few more flats to finish it off, but at least I'm going to get it started. Around my Chinese pistache, we planted some snapdragons this year, and I'll make sure I insert a picture of that. But this is actually my first cool weather annuals I've done. I haven't done any of my hanging baskets. I haven't done any of our window boxes. So that's still to come. But today I wanted to get started on this. I was also going to point out, I'm not sure if you can tell, but our Japanese maple behind us, it hasn't even started turning its fall color. My Chinese pistache is still deep, deep green. Really no leaves have started to fall yet. So it's fall has a late start here in Central California, but I'm so thankful that we finally hit the cool weather. I'm not sure if I'm going to need to use an auger or not. I might can get away with just a shovel. I haven't had any annuals in here for a couple of months, so we'll see how wet the soil is, and I'm going to get planting. I planted just shy of 144 violas. This year you can tell that I chose not to outline the walkway. I think a few years ago I outlined it with calendula, and then I put like a deep maroon viola in the middle, and then last year I outlined the walkway with white snapdragons and put yellow violas. So this year I decided just to do all violas. This should last me easily till April. I'd be pushing it for May because it starts warming up here very, very quickly. The very first thing that blooms in my garden, and it's normally at the end of January, beginning of February, are all my iris. And then after that, everything begins to wake up. So we have a very mild winter. You probably could tell I put some biotone in. We just really don't get that cold here. Anyway, I like how it turned out. I think it's gonna look really, really nice. I still have lots of window boxes and pots to do. You can tell I haven't even done the urns on my front entryway there. Maybe for those, I'll use some ornamental kale, maybe some ornamental cabbage. We'll see what I decide to choose. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope y'all are having a wonderful October. We'll see you soon. Bye.